In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Figma account easily in just 5 minutes. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool, great for both beginners and seasoned professionals, thanks to its user-friendly interface and wide array of features. Let's get started on creating your account so you can dive right into design. First, head over to the Figma website. You can easily find it by typing figma.com into your browser's address bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a vibrant, welcoming interface that highlights Figma's capabilities and the collaborative potential it offers. Take a moment to glance around if you like, but our main focus will be on creating your account, so let's move on. Now look for the option that says Get Started for free. It's a bold call to action, encouraging you to dive into all that Figma has to offer without any upfront cost. Click on this link and you'll be directed to a new page where you can initiate the account creation process. You now have a couple of options for signing up depending on what suits your preference. If you're already a Google user and prefer keeping everything streamlined, you can opt to sign in with Google. This option is secure and quick, linking your Figma account directly to your Google credentials with just a few clicks. Alternatively, if you'd rather use an email address, choose the Continue with Email option. This is a great choice if you want to keep your design tools separate or simply don't use Google. If you choose to sign up with an email, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. You may also be asked to confirm your email address by clicking a link sent to your inbox, so be sure to check your email and follow any additional instructions. And there you have it. After following these simple steps, you now have your very own Figma account. This new tool at your disposal will be invaluable for creating stunning designs collaboratively with your team, or for exploring your creative ideas solo. Thanks to its cloud-based nature, you won't need to worry about losing your work as it saves your progress automatically. Feel free to explore Figma's features, tools, and community to get the most out of your experience. Whether you're sketching out wireframes, designing complex interfaces, or collaborating on projects, Figma offers the flexibility you need. Enjoy your journey through the world of design, right at your fingertips, anytime and anywhere. That wraps up our tutorial on how to create a Figma account effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.